Welcome back to another video. This video, I'm going to be showing you how I am applying my falsies underneath my lash. I'm starting with some lashes that I got from Amazon. These are like fluffy, cute lashes. And I'm starting by cutting them in 3 pieces. It's very important that you keep these lashes in order so you'll know how to apply them under your lash. And here I'm cutting and putting them in order so I know exactly which one goes where. And if you have winged out lashes, you want to make sure that the winged end goes to the outer side of your eye. So make sure that you place them in the exact order that you're laying them out.
Cause I need ya, and it's hard, baby, yeah, cause I believe ya. Hold me tight, holding on tonight.
And of course, with the next lash, I'm doing the exact same thing. Now I'm going to start by using the bonding glue. Here is the Falscara by Kiss, and I'm using this to adhere the lashes to underneath my eyelashes. Okay, now I'm applying the first outer corner lash. Making sure that it's sticking properly. And I'm going in with the rest one by one. Here, I'm making sure that it's sticking. And now I'm ready to seal in the lashes. On the other end, it has a sealer. On one end is the bonder, and on the other end is the sealer. So I'm using the sealer to make sure it's sealed in. Now I'm starting my other eye, doing the exact same steps. From a city that's high school, I give them this anymore, I go. Cause you a bad man, she don't love money, she break hearts real fast like I'm making sure everything is sticking and it's secure. I'm checking my eyes out, making sure that it's sticking to my lash line and the bond is working. Now I'm using the sealer to seal the other eye. The concentration is so real. I'm so focused on not poking myself in the eye, huh? Here I'm just pushing the lashes up, making them feel a little better so they won't feel like it's something in my eye. Now I want to finish touching up my face since I want to do a little nice summer look. I'm using the Danessa Myricks Blurring Balm Powder, and I love this product. Now I'm going in with my bronzer. It's by Gucci, and I'm just going to bronze up my face a bit. Very lightly adding some bronzer. It can be a bit much if you add too much, so start little and build up. Don't mind me. I keep looking over because I'm watching TV. I try to multitask and do things and be productive. So if I'm going to watch TV, I'm always doing something else. Here I decided I wanted to brighten up my under eyes. So I'm using my Tarte Shape Tape. And I'm also going to add the e.l.f. Camo Concealer. I just got this, but I do like it. So I want to add that here. It's a little brighter than my Shape Tape. So I'm going to use that to blend in under my eye as well. Now I'm going to blend it out with a beauty sponge up my nose. I always try to get my forehead. I try not to put too much product on at the first time because less is more with me. I know I can get a bit cakey under my eyes if I add too much concealer all at once. So I am blending that out, and also going to touch my forehead with that to make sure that my look is cohesive. Yes, I definitely need to touch my forehead up because I had on a ball cap before I did my makeup because I went out. But yeah, I have a line across my forehead. Don't judge me, okay? And of course, I'm going to be setting my face, my highlighted areas with some setting powder. I'm going to use the Huda Beauty setting powder. However, I think it's a little too yellow for me, so I'm going to mix in some Airspun setting powder. Even though I didn't show it in this clip, I keep Airspun on hand because it's cheap and I can easily mix it with powders that don't do the complete job for me. I love the Huda Beauty, but this shade I have is too yellow. So as you can see, the powder I'm putting on looks a little bit more white, but it's a little more neutral. So it calms that look down. And then after a while, it soaks in, so it'll look just fine. Okay, next I'm going in with this NARS face powder. It's the usual one that I'm using on this channel. So I usually use that to go in my nose and kind of like take that dusty powder look away. And it helps to bring some color and dimension back to my face. Yeah, so I'm going to bring that up by my eyebrow down to the tip of my nose. And that's about it. Okay, so now I'm about to use my NARS blush, and that's the Exhibit A. I love this blush. It's perfect for summertime, summer, spring. I love it. Nice bright red. And with blush, I do the same thing. I keep adding until I get my desired results. I do put blush on one end, and when I want to smooth it out, I flip the brush over to kind of like smooth out the color without adding too much at one time. So yes, I love this blush. So next I'm adding my mascara to my bottom lashes. This is the NARS Climax mascara. And next, I'm going to curl my lashes because that is needed. I was feeling like a little something over my eye. But yeah, curling lashes is a game changer. Yes, and that felt so much better. Boom. Now I'm feeling better. Lashes are popping. Now I'm going to take this YSL brown eyeliner and kind of slightly, subtly wing out my outer corner just to give it a different type of look. Because I don't have any much eyeliner on, so I decided to do that. Now I'm about to brush away the rest of that setting powder. I don't really consider that baking because I didn't put a lot, but I do like to brush it off and brush around my face, kind of set the rest of my makeup. I am an oily girl, so I have to make sure I'm setting everywhere. Okay, now I'm going to use my Fenty Beauty Cream Lip Gloss. I love this. I think this color is Cupcakin, and it's my fave. It's one of the first ones I've purchased, and I still love it. Did anybody else shop the Sephora event? I did, and I bought another Fenty lip gloss, so I can't wait to get that, and of course a lot of other stuff, but maybe I'll show that on the channel. I'm not sure. We'll see. Let me know. Okay, so my summertime fine look is coming to an end, but I still feel like I'm missing something. So I'm going to spruce up my brows and maybe add some highlight. Yeah. And adding some brow gel. I'm not really a brow gel person, but I decided to do it here. Don't ask me why. My brows are lacking, so I do add like liner to the tail end of my brows to complete my look. I don't know. I don't really like brow gel because a lot of times it leaves my brows looking too shiny. And yeah, maybe I'll find another product that I like better, but I used it anyway. Just playing around in makeup. Now I'm adding my NARS highlight. And I don't use this a lot, but I do like it. So I'll probably add it to my little everyday makeup stash. And here I'm just going back over my contour. Well, it's really with some powder. It's not really contouring powder, but it's just my regular face powder. To go back and brush through some lines and creases. Now I'm adding some highlight to underneath my brows. I haven't done this in a long time, but I love it for the summertime. It gives you that glowy effect, especially after you spray like setting powder on your face or you have a nice dewy look. Even though I'm oily, I love a dewy look, but I don't want to look too oily. So I'm trying to keep the matte areas matte and the glowy areas glowy. So we'll see. Now I'm spraying on my setting spray by Benefit. And after the setting spray, I'm going to add some more highlight because now my face is damp and the highlight will pop even more with a damp face. And again, I am going across my nose to not let the highlight take away from my contour. So my look is coming together. I'm just using the rest of the remainder of that foundation on my neck. And I'm going in with the brow pen because I told you my brows are looking a little oily. And it looks like it took some of the product off my eyes. So I'm going to try to touch that up a little bit without doing too much. And here I'm using a Wet n Wild gold eyeliner as an inner corner liner. Well, inner to midway, my bottom lid.
wanna be good for you, I do. But sometimes someone was bad for me.
And see, that just did something to my look, gave it a little extra something. And my goal this summer, well, spring, summer, is to play with more color, like liners, like I'm doing here with the gold. Even though the gold is very neutral and is barely noticeable, I still want to get some other colors. Well, babes, well, this is it for this video. I hope you like my lashes and my summer look. Now, don't forget to subscribe and like and comment on this video. Have a great day. Bye.